How to change country on Apple ID. Go to our settings. And we'll tap on our name. From here we'll tap on Media and Purchases. And then we'll tap View Account. You can see your Apple ID. Family sharing. And in middle of the screen is country. And region. So we can tap on that. And this will pop up with a thing saying, you can change your country to a region. So I can tap Change Country Region. And let's say I wanted to change. Instead of the United States on here, I wanted to change it to the UK. Now on here it'll say, agree to all of these terms and hit agree. You need a method of payment in that specific country. So you need to enter in a payment method for that specific country. And it needs to have a billing address. In the UK, you can see, here are all the billing address information that you need to enter. And for the UK, so you do actually need to be in that country and have to have a payment method in that country to change your country or region. Thanks for watching.